good afternoon. Yes, Philippine Standard Time is 10 minutes before 12, brought to you by alternator.com.tv. So that's my new vlogs today. So let's show you how to replace the V6 Nissan Quest alternator. So first, we gonna remove this battery terminal. Second, remove this battery terminal. 3. Remove this radiator hose, upper radiator hose. 4. Remove this clip to that harness for the cooling fan. Next, remove this bolt, 2 bolt for the cooling fan. Here, I recommend you guys to remove this battery and then the battery holder. So easy to remove this cooling fan. Then remove this bolt on 5 bolts on the battery holder and slide a little bit. So before you remove this cooling fan, you need to remove the one hose in the back connected to the cooler line. I'm ready to remove this cooling fan. Next, lift up the car and remove the serpentine belt, this clip, and then remove this cover. That serpentine belt, I recommend to replace this one too, but that bolt super sees, so we need to heat it up a little bit like this. Need to lose a little bit this one, this bolt, and then next guys, take number 14 with the spliner and extension to lose the tensioner pulley here, so you can remove the serpentine belt and remove the whole tensioner pulley. So you put like this and turn. So guys, you need to remove this serpentine belt here. Okay. Then remove this bolt here. Then remove this pulley. Remove this nut here, over here, right there. Right there. Then slide this long alternator lower long bolt here, right there. Slide. Use this pry bar to slide this bolt here. Now I get it. This is the bolt alternator bolt on the bottom. Next, you need to remove this alternator connector here, and then the in here too, one connector, and then the positive line here. Remember guys, don't break this connector lock on this one here. Don't break that one, you just press like this, then pull up. So next guy, remove this alternator bracket and ready to slide that, ready to take out this old alternator. So guys, so this is ready to remove, take out this old alternator over there. So guys, that's the right procedure how to replace the alternator for this Nissan Quest. So please like and subscribe. See you in my next vlog. Thank you and have a great day.